Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Welcome to our channel Alhusna Institute. Today we are practicing Surah Alfalaq according to the rules of Tajweed. Please repeat after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق. من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. قل أعوذ. أعوذ. Hamza is the throttle letter. We pronounced this letter from deepest part of throat. After Hamza, Ain. This is throttle letter. We pronounce from middle part of throat. Khalaq, kha. There is a kha, also throttle letter. We pronounce from closest part of throat near the mouth. Kha. And there is a ghain. وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ ghain. Ghain also throttle letter. We pronounced from closest part of throat near the mouth. Ghain. There is ha. Ha also throttle letter. We pronounced from middle part of throat. Ha. By the way, guys, admissions are open. So who wish to learn Holy Quran online can contact us by WhatsApp at number shown on screen. Please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, share the video, and don't forget to comment to encourage us.